My king, now I see the reason why Odinaka has refused to leave the village. He is so much in love with her, and I can't tell same of her. My king, is there nothing you can do to help Odinaka get back his wife?
I wish there is something I could do to help. Marriage is a thing of choice. Odinaka cannot force Amaka to come back to him if she doesn't want to.
You are right, my king. I was once in a bad relationship. I feel his pains. I know what he's passing through.
I see. Odinaka is just a victim of circumstance, or so it seems.
You are right, my king.
Well, that is by the way. So, I think you should need some recreation, right?
Yes, my king.
Odinaka, I have always known you as a man of peace. But to my surprise, you've been parading the village with a gun. So surprising too that you could even come to my palace still with a gun. I hope you are not about to put laws into your hands.
No, Igwe. I won't do that.
That's good. Odinaka, I cannot claim that I don't understand what you are passing through. But Cecilia means well for you. Your generosity caught her attention, it's obvious. Which is why I am asking you to forget everything that had happened to you and follow her to the city. I don't know if she had told you that from the city you'll be going to the United States of America with her. Has she told you that?
No, Your Majesty. She didn't tell me that. But Your Majesty, I've been thinking. Other women like her, other women in her class will not want to end up with a palm wine tapper like me. However, I know she has a good heart. I know she's a good person. I've been watching her. I'll give what you said a thought. I'll think about it.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, let's drink to it.
I don't drink foreign wine.
Odinaka.
I drink palm wine.
I understand. We all have principles. But sometimes you break loose of your principle to, take some certain things else. You try something else. This wine is good for the heart. In a situation like this, you need this to gladden your heart, okay? Let's see. And you'll be fine.
Igwe, sugar.
In the red wine?
Sugar.
There is no sugar in the red wine. Sugar. Much. Amazing. There should be more sugar in palm wine than red wine. This is good for the heart.
That is natural, but this one is not.
No, you don't know about wine. Some wine we store for 1 year, 2 years, 14 years. The older the wine becomes, the older it is in the heart. So this one is up to 14 years. There's no sugar.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust.
Good day, ma.
Good day. Who are you and who are you looking for?
I am Cecilia. I am looking for Odinaka. Is he in?
No, he went out.
Oh, okay. You must be his sister.
Yes, I'm his elder sister.
Okay, that's good. He has told me a lot about you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you,
welcome,
Ma, I have been in a bad relationship over the years. And I can tell that a change of environment can heal a broken heart.
So from what you've been telling me, you want Odinaka to follow you to the city?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Odinaka deserves a better life.
Yes.
And a new start. He's a good man. So please, ma, I want you to talk to him, convince him, so that he can follow me to the city.
You don't need to beg. I will definitely talk to him. I will.
Thank you.
You don't need... We supposed to be begging you.
Thank you. I appreciate you, ma.
Thank
you. Are
you.
Such a darling. Thank
you so much. I will talk to Odinaka.
Okay, ma.
Yes, I will talk to him.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, eh?
Yes, ma.
You said you don't need anything.
No. I'll be on my way now. Oh, it's getting late.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can neregi as your imo. Guinea can neregi one more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more.
I want to ask you a question.
All right. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Why do you have a gun? I found the gun in the house.
You found a gun in the house.
Yes.
Well, if you must know, the gun is for my personal use. It's for protection.
Protection?
Yes.
What sort of protection do you need a gun for?
Are you mad? Huh? Are you interrogating me now? What is wrong with you?
Because you're my husband.
What stupid nonsense husband is that? Huh? Are you now the police? Why are you asking me stupid questions? I have told you the gun is for my personal use. Why are you asking me? Now you listen. Listen to me. This is the very last time you will go around searching or snooping around my stuff. The next time you try it, Makachuku, I will kill you. I will kill you.
You protect me.
Excuse me.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust.
Odinaka.
Odinaka.
Odinaka, my best friend. Why are you acting strange? Huh? Come on, Odinaka. You're still my best friend. Remember way back in Osisioma when we started our lives together? Why are you acting strange and funny? I have told you countless times to come and collect the money you paid for Amaka's dowry. I'm a benevolent guy. I will give it back to you even in 10 folds. I don't know why you're wasting time. I'm a nice guy, a benevolent guy. Oh, should I give you the money now?
I want my wife back.
Odinaka, you're very funny. You and I know that you cannot have Amaka back. Huh? She now belongs to me. And I'm actually being nice because you're my best friend. Come on.
I won't warn you again.
My friend, you might not even see Amaka again. Odinaka, come and take this money and help your life. Huh? You can't be wearing these patch trousers and this then gun you carry and help your life.
Why didn't you tell me about her?
About who?
About Cecilia. She was here earlier and she told me everything. Odinaka, why did you decline her from taking you to the city? Can't you see? This is an opportunity for a fresh start and hopefully a better life that you deserve.
Sister, I have lived in this village all my life. And most importantly, the woman I love and will always love lives in this village with me.
Wake up. Odinaka, wake up. Which nonsense woman are you talking about? Listen, it's high time you forgot Amaka and move on. Can't you see that God had sent Cecilia to change your life and you're here talking about that shameless girl? Odinaka, think.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can meregi as your Guinea can meregi one more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more.
Amaka. It's you.
Odinaka, my heart keeps drawing me to you. Odi, I love you. But you love her so much that I can't stand a chance. Odinaka.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can meregi, as your imo. Guinea can meregi, one more. Trust away more. Betrayal of trust. Trust more. Betrayal of trust. Trust away more. Betrayal of trust. Trust more.
I apologize for making you cry. I'm sorry. You see, sometimes I wish we could tell our hearts what to do. I could have gotten over her a long time ago. I've been trying so hard, but it's been impossible. Please, I just need some time to pull myself together. I hope you understand.
I do understand. It's okay.
It's not your fault. I could not control my heart.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can meregi, as your imo. Guinea can meregi, one more. Betrayal of trust. Trust away more. Betrayal of trust. Trust more. Betrayal of trust. Trust away more. Betrayal of trust. Trust more.
A gun? What could he possibly be doing with a gun?
I don't know. Honestly, I can't tell. I don't know. He says it's for protection. I don't feel safe in that house anymore. I don't feel safe at all.
No, you don't have to say that. You know, things are really happening. Like, bad things are really happening. You know, this kidnapping, robbery. He's a big man. Maybe he's trying to protect himself. Okay?
It had better be. Because I'm living in fear.
No, you don't have to be.
I don't know the man I moved in with anymore.
You don't have to be.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you.
There's this friend of mine that just moved into town, but I can't seem to locate his house.
Oh.
So, do you know him or where he lives?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you know him?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know him.
Oh, I thought you said you know him.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is not my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you.
Oh! No! What is it? What did you tell him? Huh? What did you tell him?
I didn't say anything.
You didn't say what? What are you talking about? Did you tell him? Did you tell him my whereabouts?
No.
Did you tell him my whereabouts?
You're joking.
What did you tell him?
Joking me.
I'll kill you here right now. You don't joke with me. You don't know me. You don't know why they call me the city boy. What did you tell him?
I didn't say anything.
What did you tell him?
Say anything.
What did you tell him? I have this friend of mine that just moved into town, but I can't seem to locate his house. I don't know if you know him or where he lives.
Ebube.
Oh, you know him?
I know this bastard now.
Okay.
I know him now.
Can you take me to his place?
I know his house, but I'm not sure I can take you there.
I am Detective Dave. So, this young man you see here is a notorious criminal in the city. A kidnapper. So you will be doing yourself and the entire community a great favor if you help us get him arrested.
Ebube, kidnapper.
So?
Okay.
Amaka! 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 What are you doing there? Hurry up now! Come on! Hurry up! Let's go! Let's go!
Officer! That's it! That's it, this man! Yes, that's it! That's it! That's it! That's it! That's it! That's it! Arrest this man!
I'm coming. Officer, can we just settle this amicably? Come on. Officer. Come.
Comply.
We can settle this. I'm your friend.
Don't worry, we go. When we reach, you go settle it.
Why move? Move! Easy. Officer, take it easy. Officer.
Move!
Officer, let us.
Move! I say move!
Let us settle this. Be careful now, please.
Move!
How much?
Move!
How much do you
Move!
want?
Move! I'll fire you. Move! I'll break your leg. Move!
Officer,
Move!
Officer, arrest this bastard! Arrest him! Arrest him!
My house. This is my house.
God punish you!
This is my house. You don't have to ride
Move,
to
my friend.
my house.
Officer, officer, move this guy! Move this bastard! God punish your father! God punish your father! God punish your generation! Move this bastard, idiot! Officer, I say move! Take this man away! Bastard!
Officer, you can handle this now.
Anyone!
If you call my name, God will punish you. Move. If you call my name, God will punish you. If you call my name, may thunder fire you. Officer, bastard. You bastard.
Your Majesty, this is the kidnapping kingpin we've been looking for. We arrested him in his house today.
Ebube, are you a kidnapper?
No. Your Majesty, I can explain.
Explain what? Answer yes or no. Are you a kidnapper?
I was a kidnapper. But, Majesty, I'm a changed man now. I'm a Christian. A proud Christian at that. Your Majesty, I go to church now every Sunday. I don't miss it. Please forgive me. Tell this uniform man to release me. Let me go. Please. It will never happen again. Please, release me. Release me.
You are deceiving yourself by saying that. Officers, take him with you. Justice must prevail.
Pick him. Move. Your Majesty, do something. It is me. Move. Your Majesty, it is me, Ebube. Move. Officers. Move.
Look at you. You say you are a Christian, yet you are sagging, going half naked. You are a kidnapper. Yes.
This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can never give as your Guinea can never give one more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more. Betrayal of trust, trust away more. Betrayal of trust, trust more. This is hard to believe. My best friend is now my worst enemy. You betrayed my trust for you. You betrayed my love for you. Guinea can never give as your Guinea can never give one more.
Please forgive me. Please.
Betrayal of trust, trust more. Betrayal of trust, trust away. Betrayal of trust, trust more.
I am not worthy to stand or even grace your presence. I'm not worthy. But oh baby, I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive me, please. Please.
Get up. I've forgiven you a long time ago.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Amaka, thank you for leaving me the way you did.
I'm sorry.
You left me, and the right person came into my life. It was hard. After you left, it was very difficult to live without you. I almost killed myself. Suicide was the only option I had. But I survived.
I can't live without you.
Amaka. I have performed all the necessary traditional rites to dissolve our marriage. Amaka, you're free to marry whomever you like.
No.
I'm sure when you get back home, your uncle would explain everything to you.
No. I can't live without you. I can't.
I'm leaving the village for the city.
City?
And from the city, I'll be traveling to the US.
Hey! US? No. Hey, Obi, no. You don't leave me. You can't leave me here. I'm going with you. I'm going with you.
Amaka, I wish you a good life.
Odi, please, you're not leaving without me. Odi, be good. You're not leaving without me, Odi. You're not leaving without me. Odi, please. Odi, please. You're not leaving without me. Please, you're not leaving without me. Baby, you're not leaving without me. Odi, be good. Odi. Wait.
Cecilia.
Yes.
I hope you are not forgetting your name.
I didn't forget it.
You are sure of the cab man?
Yes, so it's really coming. What are you doing here?
Igwe, I've gotten over Amaka. It was very hard for me to do, but I did eventually. But thanks to you. They say if one door closes, another one opens. And I want to believe everything happens for a reason. She left my life for a reason. And you came into my life for a reason. So I'm here to follow you to anywhere you're going. You're going to America, I'll follow you. You're going to London, I'll follow you. Yeah?
Let me bless you.
Igwe.
Oya Bale.
Thank you, Igwe.
Oya Bale.
Igwe.
Oya Bale.
Igwe. Igwe. Kindly thank her on my behalf.
Oh, we have discussed you over time.
She's a nice person.
You don't need to tell me. Oh, I guess that's the camera.
Yeah, what's the matter?
I am 6 weeks gone with a criminal's child. This child will grow up without a father. Ah. Look at me. I was running away from becoming a widow. This is where I found myself. I wish I didn't listen to Njideka. Amaka, look what I've done to myself. Amaka, you will give birth to a child that will become an object of mockery in this village. Is this the life you want? Was this the life you dreamt of? Was this the life you dreamt of? A criminal's child.
My sweetie, I don't use up to love. Now my darling, you not get it big. Now my love, you not get it cool. Now my darling, leave out for me. I don't use up to love. Now my love, sweetie, my sweetie. I know use up play. Now my darling, what a lovely couple. They love themselves very, very well. Even as poor they are, they still love themselves. Hey, love, love, one thing. This is true love. When I forgot, is it we for Nanya, for better, for worse. Now my love, in not getting money, now my darling, now my choice. I lose up, I tell you, now my love, leave them for me, now my love, now my love, now my sweetie, my sweetie. I lose up, now my darling, in not getting big, now my love, in not getting cooler, now my darling, leave them for me. I know they use up, now my love, now my love, now my love. Now my sweetie, I know they use up.